Okay, so this is my lucky 65 and I just changed the keycaps and the switches. So the switch I'm currently using is the Wuj Studio Heavy Tactiles. Here's the sound. Sounds pretty good. Yep. And and about the keycaps, this is a really cool keycaps. It's cherry profile keycaps, and I got this for roughly $20. It's a shine through keycaps PPT, and yeah, I really like this design better than my old keycaps that I have shown on the previous video. And with the previous video, I'm using the linear switches, which is Mochi switches. Yeah, and I really like this. So stay tuned for the sound test.